Hello everybody and welcome. Thank you for joining us today. We're going to create a contemporary sheaf which is celebrating our colour of the month, caramel, in our January selection. So this is the second one of our designs, encompassing all types of funeral work. The one we're going to create today, as I said, is a contemporary sheaf, but it's actually designed as a spray. So it is in bio foam, so it's not actually out of water. So it's a modern contemporary funeral design made to look like a sheaf. Has really strong lines and earthy caramel colours, just celebrating that January birth date. It would suit a person who's been born in January and has what I would say is a practical, down-to-earth personality with a no-nonsense attitude. These are the traits, according to Colorstrology, that relate to January's baby. Its simple lines and unfussy presentation make it perfect for a masculine sympathy design. So, I'm going to introduce the varieties that I'm going to use today, again encompassing that caramel colour palette. So we've got some fabulous anthuriums here. This particular anthurium is called Terracotta. I've got 7 of those. They are quite large, so you may find if you're creating this tribute you may want to use slightly less, or if they're really tiny, slightly more. Then I have these fabulous Chrysanthemum Blooms. This one's called Pip Salmon. I have some Salix willow, which again is that beautiful terracotta-y caramel colour tone. I have some steel grass and I have some Rhaphis Palm. Now I've already used a full wet brick of biodegradable foam, which I've taped into a double spray tray with my 12mm anchor tape. I've got my usual Florist workbox, but I've specifically got my scissors, my secateurs and my tape out. Alright, so I hope we inspire you to have a go doing something like this yourself. Enjoy. So I hope you've enjoyed my how-to guide on the contemporary sheaf. I have some top tips for you. Number one, this could be made in advance. Both the Chrysanthemum Bloom I've used and the Anthuriums have a long shelf life. So even 3 days before you need it would be fine to keep it well watered. Top tip number two, if you are making it in advance, store it in room temperature. The Anthuriums are actually tropical plants, so they actually prefer a slightly warmer environment. And then top tip number three, if you want to feminise this arrangement slightly more, maybe you could add a hessian bow or a fabric bow here to make it look like it's been tied. Just might make it that little bit more appropriate for a female. All right, thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. Do stay tuned for more inspirational ideas celebrating during the month of January our colour caramel. So for those of you who are a January baby, let us know. Does that actually describe you to a T? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like us and don't forget to share us with your friends. And also give our YouTube channel a look. There's a lot more inspirational ideas there for you. All right, bye for now.